Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm gonna show you how to sign up for Tango. If you want to get started and create a new account on Tango, then here's how you can do it. First of all, download the Tango application on your device and tap on it to launch it open. The first interface will look like this. Make sure to allow necessary permissions, and in the login or sign up page, select one of the options to log in with. To sign up with your Apple ID, tap on Continue with Apple, whereas to sign up with Google, tap on Continue with Google. You can also choose your phone number option by tapping on Continue with Phone at the bottom and select your country from the drop-down and enter your mobile number. After entering your phone number, tap on Continue and enter the verification code that you receive via SMS on the particular number that you just entered. After entering the verification code, select your interests on the next page. Tap on Claim Free Gift and you will be able to get to the main homepage of Tango. Now, once you're in this main homepage, you can go to the top left corner of your screen and tap on the profile picture, tap on your name at the top of the screen and make necessary edits for your profile such as your name, fill in your information including username, bio, profile picture, set your gender and much more. And that is it. You will then be ready to explore Tango live, watch live streams and connect with other users. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.